Welcome to my tutorial. So this is how you download a zip file. You basically click on this file and you right click it. It should have like a drop down menu or something, and when you have a drop down menu it should say download. Let me write it out real quick, give me a second. Alright, so once you click on, hold on, give me a second. Alright, so once you click on download, it should say like towards down here and like these areas where it shows you like the areas of download. I don't know if you guys are colorblind, so I'm just gonna draw circles in different colors to make sure you guys can all see it. And so that's how you download Google Driver photos. I mean, driver file